We all know how frustrating it can be to spend hours searching for the perfect image to use on your products, whether it's a t-shirt, mug, phone case, or anything in between. But what if I told you that there's a solution that can save you all that time and hassle? That's where MidJourney comes in. MidJourney is an AI image generator that creates unique and visually stunning images based on the text you give it. It's like having your own personal designer at your fingertips. Just think about it. You can input a keyword or phrase, like travel for example, and MidJourney will generate a variety of images for you to choose from, like a beautiful sunset over a mountain range, a vintage airplane, or even a globe with a compass. All of these images are completely original and exclusive to you, so you don't have to worry about any copyright issues. But MidJourney isn't just for product images. You can also use it for social media graphics, blog post images, and even book covers. The possibilities are truly endless with MidJourney. But that's not all. MidJourney also offers the ability to print on demand. This means that you only print the products that are actually sold, saving you time and money on inventory. So, instead of having to predict how many products you'll sell, you only print what you need. So, if you're looking for a way to save time and money, while also creating unique and eye-catching designs, give MidJourney a try. Trust us, your customers will thank you for the unique and visually stunning designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.